Are there any effective height increase methods for girls over 16 years old?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing effective height increase methods for girls over 16 years old. If you're looking to gain a few extra inches in height, you've come to the right place. While it's important to note that height is largely determined by genetics and factors like age, there are some methods that may help optimize your growth potential. Let's dive in.
Can you really increase your height after 16?
You might be wondering if it's even possible to increase your height after the age of 16. While the majority of growth occurs during adolescence, it is still possible to experience some growth until around the age of 21. However, the amount of growth is typically minimal and varies from person to person. It's essential to set realistic expectations and focus on improving your overall posture and bone health.
The importance of a balanced diet.
One of the most crucial aspects of promoting healthy growth is maintaining a balanced diet. Ensure that you consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support bone health and overall growth.
Regular exercise and physical activity.
Engaging in regular exercise and physical activity can have a positive impact on your height. While exercise alone may not increase your height, it can improve your posture, strengthen your core muscles, and contribute to a more elongated appearance. Focus on exercises that target your back, neck, and core muscles, such as yoga, Pilates, and swimming.
Adequate sleep and rest.
Did you know that sleep plays a significant role in growth and development? Make sure you get enough sleep and prioritize quality rest. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones that contribute to tissue repair and growth. Aim for around 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to optimize your body's growth potential.
Posture correction and spinal health.
Maintaining good posture can make a noticeable difference in your height appearance. Practice proper posture by keeping your shoulders back, chin up, and spine aligned. Activities like yoga, stretching exercises, and regular chiropractic visits may help improve your posture and spinal health, allowing you to stand taller and appear taller.
Clothing and shoe choices.
Lastly, clothing and shoe choices can also create an illusion of increased height. Opt for clothing with vertical patterns or pinstripes, as they create a visual elongation effect. Additionally, wearing heels or shoes with height-boosting insoles can add a few extra inches to your height. And there you have it. While it may not be possible to drastically increase your height after the age of 16, there are several methods you can incorporate into your lifestyle to optimize your growth potential. Remember to maintain a balanced diet, engage in regular exercise, prioritize adequate sleep, correct your posture, and make smart choices with clothing and shoes. Embrace your unique height and focus on building confidence and a positive self-image. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.